Drowning in a sea of outdated leads in Zoho CRM? Fear not, in the next 90 seconds, I'll show you how to delete those unwanted leads, keep your data squeaky clean, and boost your sales team's focus. First, log into your Zoho CRM account and navigate to the Leads module. You'll find it on the left-hand side menu. To delete a single lead, locate the lead you want to remove. Click the checkbox to the left of the lead's name. Now, look for the Delete button, typically located at the top of the lead list. Click it. A confirmation window will pop up asking if you're sure you want to delete the lead. Click Confirm to permanently remove the lead. Be careful, this action is irreversible. To delete multiple leads, select the checkboxes next to all the leads you wish to remove. Again, click the Delete button at the top of the list. The confirmation window will display the number of leads you've selected. Confirm your decision to delete them all at once. You can also delete leads in bulk based on specific criteria. Use the List View drop-down at the top left to filter your leads. For example, filter for unqualified leads. Now you're only viewing the leads that meet that criteria. Then, select the checkbox at the very top of the lead list. This will select all leads in the current view. Finally, click the Delete button and confirm the deletion of all the leads in the filtered list. And that's it. With these simple steps, you can keep your Zoho CRM database clean, efficient, and focused on your most promising prospects. Remember, data hygiene is key to CRM success.